Okay. All right. Hello, my parents and my math students. I just wanted to come on here and talk with you a little bit about just this week. Just as there were, and I have an assistant who decided to wake up from her nap early today. So, I just wanted to let you know that the schedule is resuming this week for synchronous classes. So you've probably been notified of this, but just as a reminder, this is kind of the schedule. So we're going to meet with purple students tomorrow and gold students on Thursday. Wednesday and Fridays are office hours, which just means like drop in if kids have questions and they want to talk about different subjects. And depending on the content subject, depends on when those office hours are. So they have access to this. I think it's everywhere. It's on like Braddock websites. It's all over the place. But anyway, so just keep that in mind that that's happening. Each kid should have received a link from each class in their FCPS schools email. So I told them if they haven't received something to send me a quick email or their teacher that they haven't received it from. They should have all of them by now. And they kind of stack, so that's important too. There might be 7 emails, all from Blackboard, because that's who sends the email to them. But the teacher's name, I'll just show you really quick. This is what I sent them earlier, but the kid's name is here, the teacher's class name's here, and then the link is here. So that's that part. End of third quarter is this Friday, the first, a little more specific date. And so make sure any late work, any missing work. Oh, okay. I've also updated this, so if anything that they said they've turned in, I've got all the stuff in that I was supposed to, that's been sent to me. Okay. So out of class math assignments. I just also wanted to let you know. Shh, Florence. That's fine. Okay. I just wanted you to know that there's always going to be 2 assignments that the kids will have to work on for math out of class. And so one of those is either, okay, thank you, Florence, is either a math space or a Google form. And that's going to review over what we did that lesson for the week. Each week has one lesson attached to it. So the Google form or the math space will always be going over what we did in class. And then the other assignment they'll always have to do is the Ed puzzle. And that's going to be like the lesson that they're supposed to watch, and then they answer questions along the way. That's going to, nope, not on the table. That's going to review for them for the week. So that's important because it's going to kind of preview the lesson that we're going to do in the Collaborate session. Okay. You guys know what this is like. All right. So anyway, those are all of the kind of the announcements I wanted to say. I am sending a few emails out when kids, I always email students if they don't have their assignments completed quickly. And then if they haven't done it in a couple of days, sometimes I'll CC you along on the email. But know that I'm always emailing them at least once, sometimes twice, to remind them. Okay. To remind them prior to CCing you along the email. Okay. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great week. She went under the table. Okay. Thanks.